Damn, that stung. God damn, that hurts like a bitch.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me see. Where's the hole?
I don't know. It went in somewhere. Fuck yeah, it went in. Could it come the fuck out? I don't know. Your turn.
Oh, he's about to get you.
In the back.
No, it wasn't that much.
Holy fucking It fucking stinks, don't it? Oh my god, you hit both my fucking legs.
Look at you. I got you on camera.
Well, like that, dude. See, it don't look like it goes through, does it?
Aaliyah's barefoot though.
You hit me like in my tank. We shot each other in the ass and it hurts. You hit me in my ass.